Hello everyone. This is not a part here, and that's gonna be just about fixing some Android problem we're gonna get. So because we have make a new kind of a main application in the Java stuff, when we do React Native link, you don't gonna get your library like link get link really good. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna need to manage it yourself. So if you open Android Studio and you open inside the Instagram clone main activity, we're gonna finally add a new package here like we done with the vector icon package. So if you go inside the React Native linear gradient, they ask you to import this library right there. So you go inside Android Studio, you put your library right here, your linear gradient, you put a comma here, and here you say new linear gradient, and that's it. After that, you rerun your project, you find new device. I've done nothing more than just starting the project, and that gave me that. So now you're gonna see, gonna take a moment. Now it's gonna work. But now, so you see the gradient work, everything work. But now what happened? You see here, first thing we have some underline here, and I really don't like it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the logging page, and inside the text input, so inside the text input here, and here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add underline color Android, and we're gonna say transparent, like that. So I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna rerun, double click her. So you see now, it's almost like the iOS version, but now if I type, I get nothing, okay? How can I manage that? It's because the text input, by default, have some padding. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go inside input, and we're gonna say padding, and we're gonna say 0. By refreshing again, now we get the email, and now when you type, you'll get your element right at the good place. So that's it for this little video. That was just for the Android user. I hope that's gonna fix your problem. Again, the code's gonna be on GitHub. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.